Hello, this next section of the KPM Academy SpectraStar Typical Maintenance course is going to look at the instrument health function of the UScan software. The instrument health is a multifaceted test that pulls and tests various components within your SpectraStar XT. We really only recommend that you do the instrument health test when you have some other condition, error condition, or some other behavior, and this is going to be part of your troubleshooting. You really don't need to run the instrument health test as part of your routine procedures. To run the instrument health, you will go down to the bottom of the screen where the control buttons are, and you will see the red button is Instrument Health Test. When you press on that button, the routine will go through a test that starts pulling different components within your SpectraStar XT. Some of them are electronic tests, where they are looking at current, voltage, things like that. Some of them are mechanical tests, where various components are moved and the proper operation is surveyed during the test. At the end of this test, you will be presented a dialog that shows a pass-fail for each component that is tested. Okay, so that test takes about 3 minutes. So we shortened up this video just to save you a little bit of time. At the end of the instrument health test, you get this dialog that is presented. Again, we've got pass-fails. So these are the various components that are tested. You can see that there are some mechanical movements with the lamp shutter and the monochromator itself. There are also some electronic tests, okay? So with my instrument here, you can see that we get all green or pass indicators. And once again, we recommend that you just press the blue report button. It will generate a PDF report in your C Unity Reports directory. And that is just your documentation that the instrument is operating according to factory specifications. And that's all there is to the instrument health test. Thank you.